Guangzhou WELLTOP Company Limited was founded in 2009. We are one of the professional company in furniture hardware in China with 15 years of exporting experience. Our main products are sofa bed accessories, sofa bed table lift mechanism, furniture sofa legs, slat bed frame which hot sale in more than 20 countries and regions. Our cooperative factory locates in Zhaoqing for manufacturing and developing. Provide OEM and ODM services with professionals production line and R&D team. There are a variety of automated production and package equipment to increase the volume of production and quality is more stable. We will make efforts for product development and design, automation and brand management. We pride on supplying great products at the lowest possible prices with good services. Our greatest goal is to make every client satisfied with both our products and service. WELLTOP Furniture Hardware will insist on seek high-quality purchasing of raw material, as same as the smooth shipping, complete after-sales service. We are on the road and always looking for opportunities to work with every client. You are always welcome to contact us by email, online chatting, or directly call us. Our friendly and professional sales team stand by 24 hours for you. WELLTOP Furniture Hardware will cherish every opportunity to cooperate sincerely with the global customers and to create the fortune together. You are always welcome to visit us at any time.